Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, today is the opening for the Halloween embellishment box swap. So today is Monday the 26th and your 3 boxes must be postmarked by September 20th, which is a Friday. So I'm making this because a lot of girls were confused with the dates. All of the information will be down below in the video as well, plus this, so there's no mistaking. So this round of boxes, you must have a crafty channel. I'm sorry to have to do this, but I had a lot of girls flake on me, and 97% of them were just YouTubers with just a name and not a channel. So because of that, and that was my first swap, I learned from my mistake, and now it's only if you post crafty content on like your Instagram or YouTube. USA only, and you must have a PayPal so that you can PayPal me the $7.60 in return postage. Confirm that you're in. I want you to email me, and I'll link my email down below so that you can get my PayPal information and my shipping address. I do not have a PO box anymore. When you guys are emailing me, please email me with your YouTube name in that first email, because it got so confusing. There was a lot of girls with the same name. So please just put that right out there so I know exactly who you are and who's emailing me. And then also, when you send in your $7.60 via friends and family, please include your YouTube name. Whether you forget when you send the money, just email me and say, hey, I just paid with my husband's brother's sister's PayPal, so that I know who the heck is sending some money, okay? Because I was getting money and I had no clue who it was coming from. So it was really hard to track that down. So you have to make 3 embellishment boxes, and you will get 3 in return. You do not have to make one for me. Most of the girls in the previous swap did make one for me, which was not required, but so sweet of you guys, so thank you. This one is strictly Halloween, so don't do any other holiday or anything else. It has to be Halloween. It could be Pasteloween, which is like the pastel themed Halloween stuff. It could be any theme, so traditional orange and blacks, you know, creepy, cute ones. It could be it just has to stick within that Halloween theme, you know? You must make 2 handmade embellishments inside of your little box somewhere. Also, for this round, make sure you have a piece of paper that has your information on it and your YouTube name. So for these boxes, Anne, she was one of the first boxes I got. She decorated all of her boxes differently on the top, and then the insides were pretty identical. You guys can do that. The outside of the boxes do not have to be identical. I know that was kind of like a requirement last time. You know, I didn't know what I was doing. It was my first, swap. So as boxes come in, I'm recording all the videos separately, and then I kind of just merge them together, opening the packages as they come in, working as fast as I can because it is very time consuming. I didn't realize like how much went into hosting a swap, between recording opening each package, writing that person's address down, checking off that they sent in, seeing if they paid, seeing if they emailed me. So it's a lot of work, but I do enjoy opening all this, and I'm excited for you guys to see what you're gonna get. But anyway, this is a great way to, build up your stash and knickknacks and whatnot. So you'll know if you're in if I comment down below on your comment and say you're in. The last swap filled up in 25 minutes, you guys, like crazy fast. I would love to open up so many more groups, but it's just too much work. So I'm gonna, I max it out. Let me show you of what I made and what not to send. I do have to kind of show a video like this because as you guys can see, the girls who enter, you guys did an amazing job, but I think this needs to be out here, like, just so you know, some girls go all out, so I want you to put your best foot forward and really try. I mean, you don't have to decorate like this crazy. I do have a tutorial that'll be up later in the week, but I decorated it. You don't like I said, you don't have to go all out, but I just don't want you to slap a sticker on there either. You must decorate the top of your boxes. So I'm gonna go into mine. Cute little box I made, and stay tuned, it gets better. So there's the info. So this is what I was talking about, include your info. Like for instance, mine is just Craft Purge. That's my Pinterest, that's my YouTube, that's my Instagram. It's all over the board, it's Craft Purge. So I didn't make like a whole sheet, but you can put like 2019 embellishment box swap. I think that would be cute. I'll probably add that to this. Let me zoom in. Okay, so as you can tell, not everything is Halloween, but I stuck with like, so my box theme is kind of like golds, orange, and black. That's the theme that I went for. But you could do like collection, like, you know, certain Halloween collection, stuff like that. But I just put a bunch, like, see, this is a heart. Obviously that's not Halloween, but it went with all of this stuff. So I did this style of like a bunch of different like filigrees in here, this little compartment in here, spider jemmies. I will post like where most of this stuff is from AliExpress, you guys, because I'm an AliExpress shopaholic. Anyway, these little glitter jemmies are so cute. Over here are some black and orange flowers. Just did different like gemstones. Obviously these are hearts, but it's orange, you know, so it goes with the theme. Over here I made a cute little sequins mix that I also love. I get these tiny little bags from Hobby Lobby, the jewelry section. So if you don't have time for AliExpress or Amazon, but anyway, cute little pumpkins, little ghosties, gold. I love those striped sequins. And again, I'll try to link all the stuff that I got on AliExpress, even though you will not get that stuff in time, I don't think, for the swap. So just keep that in mind. And here I did a bunch of like gemstone brads, and brads, I love just popping the brad up and then cutting it off with scissors so that I could use it as like a gemstone. Did little, bunch of little keys in here, hearts, little resin pieces, cute little baby black tassels, some little brown bows kind of went with it, a little bit of the yellow tone up in this one. And then over here I did these little Tim Holtz bones, and I only added 2 because these are expensive, you know, so you don't have to add, like, fill it up with all your crazy expensive, like, but if you break it up, then it's not so bad. So then I included this little skeleton charm, little witch charms, and then a bunch of little handmade with love charms in there as well. Here are these little like fall colored flat back gemstones. These are from Alina Craft. They're super pretty. I have a little ring just like on my finger. I just cut the back off to kind of just top off the box to make it look cute, you know. These are from the 99-cent store. They were earrings. I just twisted off the earring part and the little dangles, and I think these are perfect to like embellish with. Over here, just popped a little skeleton on top of the trim I had in there. He's from Michael's. And then I just did eyelash trim in white, black, and gold. And I put it on these little lollipop sticks. I do have these in bulk that I got from, I want to say Etsy or AliExpress, but they do have them at your local craft store in the baking section. I know Michael's and Joann's. And over here, handmade embellishment. These are little spiders, but these are, what are these? They're felt. So they're super thick, felty spiders. And then I stuck little orange gemmies on the eyeballs. I think they look super cute. I should probably go back and add glue to those eyes because they might pop off. So that is an example of what I would send in. Obviously, maybe I wouldn't go all out this crazy, but you can, you know, because not everybody's going to do this. But, you know, this took me a good 45 minutes just to do one. So I get it. I get it. You don't have to do that. Here's one, just a glued on little ephemera piece. This is what I don't want. Not that I don't like I included a ring spider, but it's like I don't just want it sad. So these are kind of like sad boxes versus, you know, a lot of the girls go all out and then, you know, and then not so much. As you can see, you know, just it looks sad. It's Halloween theme. It's got, you know, little stickers and jemmies, but it's just it's very sad. There's not much effort in this. There was no effort in this. This took me literally probably 35 seconds to throw this together. So if it's only taking you 35 seconds or a minute or 2, then start over, you know. Just put, like I said, put your best foot forward, you guys. Only send in what you would like to receive. Okay, so drum roll, this little box right here, I think this is a great idea. You know, I can't send, you know, however many boxes come in and make that many and send them out to you guys as well. But I did, whoever, you know, submits their boxes, I will put you in a drawing and you will win this box. Whoever's name one of my kids draws. I saw Christina do that. So I was like, you know what, that's a great idea. So I made this beautiful little Halloween box, and it could be yours. It'll just be a random drawing to one of whoever's playing in this embellishment box swap. Thought that was a fun little idea, and that way I kind of get to play too. I had fun making this little box and putting stuff together, and oh my gosh, this spider is like, look it, like it had real fangs biting me. Anyway, so yeah, leave a comment down below that you want to join, and make sure you comment back to me when I say you're in, so I know that you got that comment. But yeah, catch you guys on the next crafty video.